Take care. Hello. How's it going? Your car looked blue from the side. It looked like a blue color.
Blue?
It looked like it. Do you want to step out and I'll explain why I stopped you? How's it going today?
Yeah.
Good. Are you sleepy? No. Maybe it was a reflection of the sun. It just looked kind of blue. Maybe a blue little hint to it. Yeah, just watch for traffic there. Do you have your license on you, just so I know who I'm out with? No? You know your name? You don't have any ID? No. Do you know your name?
Yeah.
What's your name? Tiffany?
How did you get the number?
I'm gonna explain to him. Yeah. Tiffany?
Yes.
What's that? You know, technically ashing is littering, okay? Did you know that?
No.
That's why people carry around ashtrays. You got an ashtray in there? Oh, come on!
Yeah,
So I don't care. All right. How you doing?
How you doing, man?
Fabulous. Okay, listen, the reason why you're being stopped, okay, you stopped past a stop bar, okay? Maybe like the Home Depot area. I don't know if you're from the area.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so whenever there's a white stop bar, either at a stoplight or a stop sign, you gotta stop at the bar or before. You can't cross over, okay? We got a lot of people walking up and down 20, that busy road that you were on, okay?
Yeah, I didn't.
All right.
My bad, man. I apologize. I just seen you coming, so I thought, you feel me? I was just a little further.
Yeah, okay. All right. Do you have your license on you real quick? Who's the registered owner of the vehicle? Who's the vehicle belong to? Who's the vehicle belong to?
Me.
It belongs to you?
Yeah, I got it.
It belongs to you though? It's registered to you?
No, it's not registered to me. It's not registered to me.
Who's it registered to?
It's a rental car. It's a rental car.
Oh, it's a rental car.
Yeah, I got it rented.
Okay.
I thought you told me it's your car. I thought you said it was your car.
It is mine. It's rented. It's mine.
Oh, I asked you if it's yours.
The 8th of November, 2024, Perrysburg Township, Ohio. A traffic stop on I-75 North uncovered $33,650 in counterfeit cash, 183 printed sheets, and 4 suspects now facing federal charges. The stop was legally initiated a stop bar violation under Ohio Revised Code Section 4511.43. Under Terry v. Ohio, that infraction alone provides sufficient reasonable articulable suspicion. Extending the stop required more. Rodriguez v. United States prohibits prolonging a stop beyond its mission without independent reasonable suspicion. That suspicion built fast. No ID, rental car denied, then admitted, multiple warrants, conflicting destinations, passengers who couldn't name each other. Each fact alone is thin. Together, they clear the Rodriguez threshold.
You want to have him sit up here?
32 to 20.
Talk to him more? His story's all off the walls. Going to Chicago to visit his aunt. That's weird. He said he came straight from Pennsylvania. You want to talk to him more?
Yeah.
Have a seat since you're cold. Just have a seat up there.
I got a cigarette? I was supposed to.
Have a seat in there, man.
There you go. At least it's a little bit warmer in here. I know it is. You got the window open. You can open the door at any time, all right? It's not locked. So what's going on today? Anything good? No? Where are you guys coming from right now?
Where I'm coming from? We're on our way to Chicago.
You're on your way to Chicago?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in Chicago.
Relative.
Yeah? Where are you guys coming from right now?
Where you coming from? Yeah.
What's in Pennsylvania?
Huh?
What's in Pennsylvania?
Well, that's where he's coming from. That's where he just came from. I left the casino.
Oh, you went to the casino?
Yeah,
Did you win anything?
Hell no.
Hell no?
Hell no.
Who are they to you?
Friends. Family.
Who's friends and who's family?
Family in the back.
Both of them?
Yeah, family in the back for them.
So y'all went to the casino in Pennsylvania? What's female's name in the back? How do you say her first name? Ada? Is that your sister?
No, none of my sister. I ain't saying none of my sister.
Family?
Yeah.
Cousin?
Nah, it's like the one in the back is a friend. She a friend.
Oh, I thought you said the ones in the back were family.
No.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
family.
got
I don't mean it like immediate, like brother.
Okay, like yeah,
cousins.
not like your brother,
Yeah,
like
got
your brother.
different, like,
Yeah,
lingo.
I
Yeah,
gotcha.
family mean like close. Like
Yeah, I gotcha. You don't know how to say her first name though?
No.
How do you say his name?
Juwan.
In the back?
Juwan.
Is it?
Yes.
Did you stay in Pennsylvania last night, or?
I was in. He was out there for like, I think I left near probably like. It was in the morning.
This morning?
No, it was like probably like 10 something. Probably like 10 something.
This morning?
No,
Last night?
Yeah, like 10 something.
So you left there at 10 o'clock last night, and you went where?
He was driving.
Oh, you just drove?
Yeah, he was driving to Chicago. I told him on the way to Chicago.
But if you went from Pennsylvania to here,
Yeah,
did you sleep last night?
Nah, we rotated.
You rotated?
Yeah, everybody was driving.
Oh my gosh, I'd be tired as hell.
I was thinking about going and get a little room to go to sleep.
Probably a good idea. You got how much longer you have to go?
Probably a couple hours.
So I found him coming out of Home Depot. They were all three of them were in the car. I think it was the front passenger that came out of Home Depot. When I passed by, I seen somebody come out and get the passenger seat. I took off. She had nothing in her. I think she had a piece of paper in here or something. I didn't call Home Depot or anything yet, so I'm gonna figure out what we got.
Were they in the car still?
Yeah, he's in the first passenger seat.
Have Nick run it?
Yeah, I have no problem.
Alright, you want to talk to him, have him run it?
Yeah, we want to get them all out.
Yeah, that's where I'm going right now. Alright, I know it's cold outside, but I'm going to have you step out real quick, okay? Yeah, just one at a time though. Just leave everything in here. Yep. Alright, go back over here. Nothing on you or anything? Okay. Can I search your pockets? Make sure you don't have any guns, knives, bombs, anything illegal? Okay, alright. Where are you guys going to right now? Where? Cali? Because it's cold here? Is that why?
No.
Huh? No? Alright. Alright, just leave everything in here and just go ahead and step out for me. Yep, that's fine. That's cool.
I don't got no ass in the front. But you just tore me up though when you say ass and it's littering because it's ass. So you want to need to...
Alright, nothing in your pockets or anything like that? Can I search your pockets?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Alright, turn around for me. There you go. Just stand right here.
You got anything on any weapons at all? Nothing? Let's go over here so we don't get hit. Just put your hands right here for him. There we go.
Dispatch 132. 10-4.
Let's go back and stay with your friends, okay?
What's wrong with you, dude?
I'll flip.
Okay. Have him have a seat.
Huh?
Have a seat. There you go. What'd you do to your foot?
You going to jail?
No, what'd you do to your foot?
Oh, my foot is fractured.
What'd you do
I
to
had
it?
surgery.
You had surgery?
I got to.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna leave the door open for you, okay?
Okay.
Alright, you good?
Yeah.
Then helping you out with your foot so you
Oh,
don't have to
okay.
stand here. Okay?
Hey, go. Check here.
Okay, let's go back over here. We're gonna follow him back over here. Okay?
I'm gonna move them up here. Hello, we're gonna go this way. Hey, ma'am.
I got what?
Ma'am, let's go this way.
I got a warrant in Georgia, but it's not extraditable.
Okay, figure it out.
It's not.
Okay. What's it for?
I don't know. I just got a warrant. I went to court one day. They said I had a warrant in Georgia, but they could not arrest me because it was extraditable.
Alright, we'll figure it out.
Slide in, both of you. Keep sliding. There you go.
Can I undo this seatbelt?
She asked him, she's like, is your phone off? I was like, why would you ask me if the phone off? Like,
Did you ask her that?
yeah, I asked her. I was
What'd
like,
she say?
why'd you ask me? She didn't answer me.
Well, they're going to California, but they're going to Chicago.
I'm gonna move up.
Driver said they were going to Chicago. She said they're going to Cali. They came from Pennsylvania, left Pennsylvania last night at 10 o'clock. They've been driving around.
Hey, Alicia, if we start finding like checks and credit cards or property, I say we just take it back to the office. Be my. I told Alicia, if we find like property in the trunk or we find checks or credit cards, just take it back to the office. think these are fake.
Oh, they feel fake.
Yeah.
Oh, right here.
Hey, let's take it back to the office. There's a shit ton of counterfeit in the trunk.
Yeah.
A lot.
Look at this.
OMG. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Good eye. Good eye.
Man, Scotty, come out with Bolter.
All right.
I'm gonna get these girls back to the office. You want those? You want the two of them together?
2 and 2. That's what he's saying.
2 females together, 2 males together.
I would keep it as is and not jeopardize anything else.
The vehicle search rests on the automobile, exception Carroll versus United States. Probable cause to believe the car contains contraband eliminates the warrant requirement. The accumulated red flags provided exactly that. At the station, officers correctly presented written consent forms for phone searches, reflecting Riley versus California warrants are required for cell phones incident to arrest. When one subject refused to sign, the officer accurately stated a warrant would follow. No misrepresentation, no coercion, legally correct. The facial recognition unlock attempt is legally unsettled. Some federal courts treat compelled biometrics as testimonial under the Fifth Amendment. Others treat them as physical evidence like fingerprints and permit compulsion. Until the Supreme Court rules, this remains jurisdiction dependent. Officers should default to warrant applications when biometric access is refused. Miranda versus Arizona requires rights advisements before custodial interrogation. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, a roadside traffic stop is not automatically custody, but once subjects were seated in the rear of patrol vehicles for questioning, a reasonable person would not have felt free to leave custody attached. Statements taken without Miranda warnings at that point risk suppression at trial. On charges, forgery under Ohio Revised Code, Section 2913.30 covers uttering forged United States currency. Possessing criminal tools under Section 2923.24 applies to the printing sheets and templates. Federal exposure under Sections 471 and 472 of Title 18 of the United States Code carries up to 20 years per count. The Secret Service holds primary jurisdiction. Federal prosecution is the likely trajectory.
We're gonna be going back to our office. I'm gonna be driving you guys back there, okay? All right.
Like my cell phone and stuff.
Everything in the car is gonna be investigated right now, so we're gonna take the car back to our office and look at it more. Yeah, phone and everything. Yeah, phone and everything. Yeah, hang tight, okay? I didn't pull you over, so I don't know. All right, you wanna hop out first for me? Hang tight in the back of the car real quick.
But you said what?
Yeah, we're going here. Anything on you that we missed at all? Everything in your pockets at all? We're going to go in the interview room on the right. She's going to search you real quick, so if you want to stand up, please. You said nothing on you that we missed at all? Okay, thank you. Sorry that took a couple minutes. You got anything in your pockets at all? You can throw them in here for me. Kick your Crocs off. Throw them in there. Friday. We didn't miss nothing on you, nothing sharp at all?
No.
No weapons at all?
No.
Okay.
I don't got blankets and nothing?
No blankets, unfortunately. All right, come on out. You all right? All right, I'll pat you down real quick here in a second. Just go ahead and stand over there for me.
And take your shoes off. Just take your shoes off, put your shoes in there. Do you have any jewelry, a belt, anything like that?
I get my stuff. You get my stuff out the car.
Yeah. Well, we have the car here, so everything's still in the car. Okay.
So you what?
I said your car's still here, so everything's still in the car.
That.
Yeah. What do you need?
No, you said give you what? I'm listening to what you say. You say give you my shoes.
Yeah, your shoes. Do you have a belt on? Anything like that? Jewelry? No. Okay. All right. You want to take your shoes and put them in here?
Do you have anything underneath your hoodie? Do you have a t-shirt or anything?
Yeah.
Can you take that off for me?
A little t-shirt.
Can you take this off for me? Thank you.
Take what off?
This.
This?
Yes, please.
All right. You did have surgery on it, or you have to have surgery? You're supposed to.
Yeah, I fell down the steps.
It is broken for sure?
Yes. Fracture is broken. It's the same thing.
Does it hurt like hell? When did you do this?
Some days is better than others.
Yeah. Just from falling?
I came down like the steps, like you know how you come down.
Yeah.
You want to kick your flip-flops off and put them on the table for me? Appreciate it, thank you. So you had money in your pockets, right?
Yes.
You want to put them inside your sandals so we don't lose it? All right. I'm going to get your hoodie for you right now, okay? Grab that penny for me. Sorry about that. So I'll make sure you get it back here.
I also understand that the analysis of the copies in the media may continue even after the items designated for analysis are returned. I provide my consent to this analysis freely, willingly, voluntarily, with the knowledge that I have the right to refuse consent. I understand that information from this device may be used against me in the court of law. I provide my consent without fear, threat, coercion, or promise of any kind.
If I'm still gonna get the numbers if I don't sign that?
Yes, I'm going to give you numbers.
No, 'cause I really don't feel like
Okay,
that.
well, we're still keeping the phones.
Yeah, I know.
It's okay, this just helps possibly expedite the situation.
What?
It helps.
She's saying basically it's just
It
easier
helps.
for them to be able to go through the phone. If not, they're basically about to have to get a search warrant to go through the phone.
Right, it just helps
That's all that is.
the situation. It helps the situation possibly go
What's
quicker.
everyone from who? Metro?
What's that?
From Metro?
No, I don't know.
Metro, that's Metro that I got.
What's Metro?
My phone. Like, so what?
I don't know what
I
that
gotta get
means.
search warrant from Metro? This one.
Yeah, they'll do whatever they have to do. Are you going to sign this? No? No? Okay. All right.
Put your hand back behind your back.
I thought you
She thought she was about to get the number.
get the number.
Well, she's gonna get it for you.
So,
It's face recognition.
But that's what I was trying to say to you.
Right, like it's,
Instead of us having a passcode on the phone, let us put the phone up and do the face recognition to take the lock off the phone.
okay.
I don't know why I ain't catching my face. Alright, it's on airplane mode, I don't know why.
They
But,
put it on
oh,
there.
y'all put it on there?
Okay. Where do I go to get your...
I go to contacts. Up hit the no.
That?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm going to put this in your
I'm gonna
pocket.
sign that paper.
What?
Just, let me sign it. This one. Yeah, because I don't want them to.
They're gonna keep the phone regardless.
Okay, you understand that you're doing this
Yeah,
voluntarily
yeah, yeah.
to search the phone? All
No,
right.
they don't. Look, can you open that blue one? Let me just, yeah.
Officers B+, lawful stop, proper suspicion development, accurate consent procedure, deductions, imprecise initial articulation of the stop basis, and no Miranda advisement on camera before in-vehicle questioning. Phone passenger C+, complied physically but answered investigative questions without invoking Fifth Amendment rights. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, she was not in custody roadside. Silence was her right. She did not exercise it. Driver C, contradicting vehicle ownership was a single statement that accelerated the entire investigation. He also answered freely without invoking Fifth Amendment protections. Strategically damaging. Department A-, strong coordination, correct federal escalation, sound consent procedures, deduction for the Miranda gap, and insufficient on-camera documentation of stop extension basis. 3 lessons. 1. Document every investigative step verbally, on camera, in real time. Under Rodriguez, the articulable facts justifying stop extension must be identifiable at each stage. If it is not on camera, it is harder to defend in court. 2. Miranda attaches at custody, not at formal arrest. In-vehicle questioning of detained subjects crosses that line. Advisements should precede questioning, not follow booking. 3. For subjects, silence is a right, not a risk. Answering investigative questions without counsel is consistently the single greatest source of self-incriminating evidence. The Fifth Amendment exists for exactly this reason. Invoke it early. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like covered in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more content.